Check out GearChase.com for a full review of these pedals. This is just an unboxing to show what's inside. The full review can be read there. On the back of the box shows the Q factor, also the step height on the pedals, as well as some other information about the electronics. Around the box you can see that these are the Duos. They make another version called the Uno that's just power on one side that's then averaged across both pedals. And inside of the box you'll see that we have the two pedals that are attached to some cardboard inside. Underneath that is the charging and cleats and instructions that come with it. There's quite a bit of information in different languages. These are actually sold in Italy and then shipped over. Here are the different outlet converters to charge the pedals from the USB brick. These pedals use two USB cables that connect to special adapters to hook them up to the pedals to charge them. Here's the charging brick for the US. It is nice that this charging brick, because you are charging two pedals, you do need two USB cables, and this brick will handle both of those. You can see here how the adapter slides on the back for using the charging brick. This is just an example of using the different adapters. So in addition to the charging brick, it comes with the charging cables. Again, this is the Duo set, so there are two cables. The Uno would only come with one, and it's just the USB plugged into the power brick, and then these other pieces connect to the cables. There's also some spacers inside. Because of the Q factor and the battery sitting on the inside of the pedal, you may need to use those spacers. And then a pair of look compatible cleats. Also nice, it comes with Allen wrench or a hex key to install the pedals. Don't have to go searching for one of those. So packing everything up in the box here, we'll take a closer look at the pedals. They're zip tied on the back here, just going to cut those off. You could see the lights flashing already. The pedals did come about 50% charged. Once I connected them to the app, I was able to see that. You can see the contacts there where the battery chargers attach, and they are magnetic, so they grab on pretty easily and are strong enough that haven't had a problem with them falling off when charging in the garage and moving stuff around, or even moving the bike around while they're connected. Also, the cables are really long, so it's nice and convenient to charge that if you're somewhere close. So installing just like normal pedals, just using the hex wrench through the crank arm, pretty simple to do. And then showing the comparison here from my pedals that I took off my bike that I'll be replacing with the power meter pedals, just to give you an idea of size. They are slightly larger, and you can see where the battery does fit in the spindle. Also, where the cleat contacts the pedal and the sensor is, it's a little bit larger. Overall, the weight difference is almost nominal between the two, and the Q factor is almost nominal as well. So if you're looking for a power meter pedal, definitely check these out. As far as value goes, I'm sure you've read other reviews online. There's a lot of them out there. These pedals have just been great. Been using them for about the last 6 months on my road bike, all throughout the winter in the rain and cold, and haven't had a single issue with them. The batteries are actually permanently installed through some resin. So check out the website for the full review.